Welcome my dear 7th class students to Easy Learning channel. We learn subject maths. We completed chapter 10. Today we start chapter number 11, circle. Chapter number 11, circle. In previous class we learned circle elements, center point, diameter, chord and radius. In previous class, we learned relationship of radius and diameter. Today we learn part number 11.1 relationship between circumference and diameter. म्हणजेच आजच्या भागात आपण शिकणार आहोत परिघ आणि व्यास यांचा संबंध. Let us start chapter number 11 circle. Let's recall. Observe the figure and complete the table for circle. I draw a circle and draw elements of circle. Complete the table for circle. This is center point O, radi OA, next OB, OC and OF, 4 radii in this figure. Next chord AD, CF and diameter is big chord CF and AB. Diameter is AB and CF. 2 diameters, 4 chord and 4 radii in this figure. Circle elements are radius, diameter, chord and center point. Next we learn circumference of a circle. What is circumference? The distance from the center of the circle to the distance of all points on the circle is called circumference. Circumference म्हणजे वर्तुळाचा परिघ. वर्तुळ केंद्रापासून वर्तुळावरील सर्व बिंदूंचे अंतर. Some activities have been taken forward to learn the circumference of circle. म्हणजे काही मी उपक्रम घेतलेले आहेत परिघ शिकण्यासाठी. Activity 1. Place a cylindrical bottle on a paper and trace the outline of its base. Use a thread or measure the circumference of the circle. I taken cylindrical bottle of water and draw circle. This is outline of bottle base. I take a thread to measurement the circumference of bottle. Measure the circumference of a bottle and measurement on. The thread is measured by scale. Thread is measured by scale and measurement is circumference of bottle. Measurement is 24 centimeter. Next activity is measure the circumference of a bangle with the help of thread. I draw a circle, use bangle, outline of bangle base and use the thread to measurement the circumference of a bangle. And the thread is measured by scale. Thread is measured by scale. Measurement is a measured thread by scale and measurement is 22 centimeter. Next activity is model of circle circumference. Measure the circumference of a earth circle with the help of a thread. I measure circumference of earth circle by thread and measure the thread by scale. Measure the thread, use scale. cm and 5 cm. Circumference is 35 cm. Model of Earth circle circumference is 35 cm. Activities: measure of circumference of a jar. I take a jar and use thread for measurement of circumference of a jar. I use scale for measurement of thread 38 cm. In this way, we learn how to measure of the circumference, म्हणजेच परिघ कसा मोजायचा ते शिकलो. Let's learn relationship between circumference and diameter. म्हणजेच परिघ आणि व्यास यांचा संबंध काय असतो ते आता शिकूया आपण. Next activity: measure the circumference and diameter of the objects given below and write the ratio of circumference to its diameter. म्हणजेच दिलेल्या वस्तूंचे परिघ व व्यास मोजून परिघाचे व्यासाशी असणारे गुणोत्तर लिहा. First activities: I take a bangle and draw circle on a paper and use a thread. Measure the circumference of bangle. Taken measurement of circumference and use scale to measure the thread. I measurement a thread 22 cm is circumference and measurement diameter is 7 cm. Ratio is 22/7. Bangle's ratio is 22/7, 3.14 cm. Next, I taken a circular dish. For draw a circle, outline of dish and use thread to measure the circumference of the dish. Use thread for measurement and taken scale for measurement thread. Measurement is 54 cm. Circular dish circumference is 54 cm. And I draw diameter. I draw diameter of circular dish. Diameter measurement is 17 cm. Ratio of this dish 54 cm upon 17 cm. Ratio is 3.18 cm. Next activities: lid of a jar. Find circumference, diameter and ratio. I draw outline of lid of jar and taking thread for measurement the circumference of a jar. I measurement thread and taken scale for measurement. I am taking measurement of thread used by scale. Measurement is 25 cm. 25 cm circumference of lid of a jar. Next, I draw a diameter. Diameter is 8 cm. Ratio is 25/8, 3.12 cm. In this way, we find ratio of circumference and diameter. Examine the ratio of circumference to diameter. What do we see? We see The ratio of the circumference of any circle to its diameter is a little over 3 and remains constant. This constant is represented by the Greek letter pi. Great mathematicians have proved through hard work that this number is not a rational number. In practice, the value of pi is taken to be 22 upon 7 or 3.14. If the value of pi has not been given in a problem, it is taken to be 22 upon 7. पायची किंमत 22/7 गृहीत धरतात. Next, we learn formula of circumference. Radius is r, diameter is write down d, circumference is c. Circumference upon diameter is equal to pi. C upon d is equal to pi. Therefore, C is equal to pi d. This is formula. C is equal to pi d. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. व्यास बरोबर 2 गुणिले त्रिज्या. Formula of circumference. When given diameter, C is equal to pi into d. When given radius, C is equal to 2 into pi into r. When given radius, use this formula 2 pi r. Next, solve examples of find the circumference of a circle. First example is the diameter of a circle is 14 cm. Find its circumference. म्हणजेच एका वर्तुळाचा व्यास 14 सेंटीमीटर आहे तर त्याचा परिघ किती. Solve this example. Use formula. I draw a circle. D 14 cm, pi 22 upon 7. Find C. Use formula. C is equal to pi into d. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and d is 14. C is equal to 14 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2. 22 2s are 44. Therefore, circumference of circle is equal to 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Next example is the radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Find its circumference. म्हणजे एका वर्तुळाची त्रिज्या 35 सेंटीमीटर आहे तर त्याचा परिघ काढा. Here I write down given information left side and write formula of circumference. C is equal to 2 into pi into r. C is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35. 35 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. Remaining numbers 2 into 22 into 5. 22 2s are 44 into 5. Multiply by 5. 220 centimeter. Circumference of circle is equal to 222 centimeter. 222 centimeter. Next, find the radius and diameter of a circle. Third example is the circumference of a circle is 198 centimeter. Find the radius and diameter. Here I draw a circle. Center point. Circumference is 98 centimeter. Pi 22 upon 7. R and D did not know. Write down formula. C is equal to 2 into pi into R. C is 198 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. Taking left side, all numbers R is equal to remaining R left side and taking all numbers in right side. 198 into 7 upon 22 into 1 upon 2. 22 1s are 22, 22 9s are 198. Remaining numbers 9 into 7 upon 2. 9 7s are 63 upon 2. 63 divided by 2. Quotient is 31.5. Radius is 31.5 centimeter. We find radius, use formula of circumference. Next, we find diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into r. D is equal to 2 into 31.5. D is equal to 63.0 centimeter. D is equal to 63 centimeter. In this way, we find radius and diameter when given circumference of circle. Fourth example is, the circumference of a circle is 62.80 centimeter. Taking pi 3.14, find its diameter. Let us solve this example. C, circumference is 62.80 centimeter, pi 3.40. Find D, yani diameter. C is equal to pi into D. 62.80 3.14 into D. Taking all numbers left side, change side. D into 3.14 is equal to 62.80. Remaining D left side and write down all numbers in right side. D is equal to 3.14 2s are 62.8. 62.8. So divided by 3.14, 0 is 0. D is equal to 20 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. In this way, we find diameter. What will we learn today? We learn relationship between circumference and diameter and examples of find circumference. I hope, my dear student, you understand this new chapter and understand all examples in part 11.1. Today's homework is write down all chart and examples in this part. Thanks, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe. I will very happy you are respond me very well. Thanks.